Hello and thanks for tuning in. This is the ASX 200 daily update, and today the market closed slightly lower. The market opened slightly in positive territory today. It traded warily during the first hour or two, similar to yesterday, trading tentatively higher but showing no underlying intent whatsoever prior to a news event which was due at 11 o'clock this morning. That news event was concerning Australia's inflation rate, which increased to 7.8%. And in response, the market pulled back sharply, losing 40 points almost immediately. Interestingly, in response to that drop, the market moved into consolidation mode pretty quickly and made ground throughout the day, only closing lower right at the end of trade, probably due to the holiday tomorrow and waiting for overseas markets to trade in response. The recovery during the day appeared to be clearly showing an attempt by the market as a whole to absorb the weakness that was being drawn out in response to the higher inflation rate, which in turn suggested that interest rates in Australia will continue to rise. Whether that clear attempt to absorb the weakness continues, we'll have to wait and see. But it was clearly on show today, and that's supporting the ongoing positive sentiment we've seen in the market for some time now. Let's put the lines in quickly. Now, if the weakness continues next week, I would see this 7,400 level come into play. Price may come back and test this for strength. I think on Friday, after the Australia Day holiday tomorrow, almost certainly the market will test for supply, at least early, and do something like this. And it may do that all day. A lot of participants are probably going to make a long weekend of this and have a 4-day weekend. So I expect volume to be lower on Friday, and that's just a good opportunity for the market to test for supply and then respond again next week, which may be lower, but just be careful because I expect that this 7,400 level may hold some moderate support, and it may be that the market just pulls back there to test the recent little minor breakout here and the push above the early December highs. So we'll just see what we get. I expect a test for supply probably on Friday. I expect volumes will be reduced and the market will really just wait and see where it wants to trade next week and not really on Friday. Okay, thanks for your time. See ya.